Good morning, Barstow. I'm Helen.
And I'm Sammy. Helen, did you know we only have 6 more days of classes and then finals?
That's crazy. I'm really excited for summer though. But first, we have to finish finals and start AP exams. AP exams start Monday. If you're missing any final exams, make sure to talk to your teachers and reschedule them. Also, if you're taking 2 classes of the same subject, be sure to also find an alternate time to take it.
If you're taking a morning AP test, make sure to be here a little before 7:30. If you have an afternoon one, it starts at 11:30. Please bring 2 pencils, an eraser, and a calculator if you're taking a math or science that permits it.
The physics AP class has their practice test at 9:30 this Saturday. The sophomores' modern history pretest will take place at 8:30, and chemistry AP will have a study session on Sunday at 2 p.m.
That was a lot of testing info. Now let's take a look at Gwen's piece about students' goals and dreams.
What are your dreams or goals for the future?
Oh God. I have no idea.
I have not really an idea of what I do.
I don't know. I'm like, as of now, I'm figuring out what I like and like what I want to do.
Okay, that's a really hard question.
I don't really know, to be honest with you.
My dreams are just finding ways to help people.
I want to be able to find who I am through Barstow, which I feel like I've already done.
My mom really wants me to attend like American college.
I want to get to a place where I know what I stand for, I guess. That's kind of cringy, but I just want to know like why I get why I get out of bed every morning. Like I want to figure out like what makes me happy and, you know, what kind of person I am.
Just an amazing feeling when you see someone's life being changed in a moment, and I just want to be able to do that.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
I think I want to be, well, an art teacher that works at Barstow because I'm really good at art and I teach my brother and sister math and I like playing school with them. I want to be an artist because I want to be famous. A fireman.
You want to be a fireman? Why?
Because I can help people if they're in danger.
I want to be a landscaper when I grow up.
Why?
Because I want to help people. If grass gets long, I'll help them mow the lawn.
I'm a farmer.
A farmer? Why do you want to be a farmer?
So I can feed my friends.
I want to be a psychologist. Personally, I like helping people, and sometimes people's biggest problems are in their own head and they don't know how to help themselves. So I want to be able to help people who don't know how to. I think about this too much and I still don't know. I wouldn't want to be somewhere where I'd make a ton of money but be totally unhappy with my job.
I hope that I can change the Chinese industry, like film industry.
Thinking lines of something about prosthetics and all that, like robotic prosthetics.
If I'm happy and can make a life out of it, then I'd do it for sure.
I know I'll like get bored with my life or I'll get bored with what I'm doing, but like as long as I know like what makes me happy and like what kind of person I am and what I stand for, then like there shouldn't be a problem with everything else that I do.
When you were younger, what would your dream job be?
When I was really young, I wanted to be a singer and I thought that I was a really good singer, and that's changed a lot. Coming out of my cage and I'm doing just fine. I don't think I could be a singer. I know that that's like kind of unreal. I mean, it wasn't unrealistic at the time, but I don't know, I don't think it's my thing.
Well, I think I had like the kind of stereotypical jobs when I was little, like fireman, astronaut.
I wanted to be a lawyer because my mom was a lawyer, or she is a lawyer, but like I kind of ditched that because, I don't know, I felt like I just wanted to do that because my mom did it, and like, I don't know, when I was younger, I had like such a prominent vision of like success, and now that's like completely changed for me. And I think that adds to the fact that just like as a person, I've changed so much over the time I've been alive, which is like true in every person's case.
I used to think maybe I can become a pianist, but then it turns out to be like I'm too lazy to practice. I think I wanted to be a photographer because my mom's a photographer, and then I was like, well, I don't like taking pictures, I'm bad at it.
When I was real young, I wanted to be a trash collector because I saw the people on the back of the trash riding along on the truck, and I was like, ooh, I want to do that when I'm older.
I think it's just go with the flow and do it the best you can.
It's pretty easy to get stressed and bogged down with work, and I want to just make sure that I just live a happy life, I guess.
Kind of being afraid to fail at that point, but I think that if I keep the mentality of being scared, you can never get what you're actually trying to get at.
I had a lot of dreams, but for now, I just want to I don't know, just do the things I like and see how it turns out.
Great piece. But I just got really hungry. Do you know what's for lunch, Sammy?
Today we are having tacos, street corn, chicken soup, and chocolate chip cookies.
That sounds really good. Speaking of food, let's check out Eloise's cooking piece. Roll it.
Wow, great piece, Eloise. Today is field day for lower and middle school. The seniors have their senior walk today as well. Let's go see how the weather will look like for the rest of the senior walk and the weekend.
I see the birds, they fly. It's the summer, it's the summer. Give me
Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekly weather report. I hope everyone's doing okay after the severe weather that we saw on Wednesday night. There were some power outages across the city, but I hope everyone is doing okay after that. Heading into the rest of this week, we're actually going to see some pretty warm temperatures today. It's around 65 currently, but it's going to warm up around noon actually. We're going to see temperatures above 70. Actually, from about 4 to 6, we're going to see temperatures of around 75. And then it's going to dip a little bit, but still be above 70 almost through the whole night as we head into tomorrow, which is going to be very warm heading over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday, we're going to see high 70s and low 80s, and actually mid 80s on Saturday. So we're going to see a lot of sun, a couple clouds on Sunday, but not too much. It's going to be a beautiful weekend for all of you as you study for finals. And Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're going to see some sun and warmth on Monday, but some thunderstorms coming in on Tuesday afternoon. And it's going to stay warm, but it should drop a little bit in the afternoon on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we might see a little bit of rain, but right now we're just planning on seeing a lot of clouds. That's all I have for you today. Send it back to you at the news desk.
Thanks, Kaden.
But also, this week's poll, Disney versus Universal, resulted in Disney winning 66% of votes, and Universal had 34%. The random winner this week is Abby Hatton, receiving a free bag of chips from the bookstore.
Now on to some sports news. The boys tennis team had their senior night on Tuesday and played Blue Valley North. The team took a hard-fought 4-5 loss, with Bradley and Brian winning both their doubles and singles matches, and Sunil playing his best singles of the year. The boys have a game at Lee Summit North tomorrow before they head to districts on Monday.
The boys golf team is also headed to sectionals this Monday, and soccer played on Wednesday and won 2-0.
Also, to all varsity athletes, Varsity Sports Awards Night is Thursday the 10th at 6:30 in the auditorium.
It's crazy to see all these sports coming to an end. Let's look back on the school year with Aiden.
Thanks, Sammy. This year has flown by quicker than the last, but has been filled with some great memories. It all started 259 days ago when we walked into school on the first day. We rolled right into the beginning of the year traditions, and we got to experience a once-in-a-lifetime event. Summer turned into fall, We celebrated accomplishments, honored veterans, and enjoyed each day more than the last. We bounced into basketball season as more achievements were reached and records were broken. The little bit of snow that we got quickly melted away into spring, and the end of the school year quickly approached. The 2017-2018 school year was certainly filled with stress and hard work for us all, but most of all, it was made up with good memories and laughter. Today, as the seniors take the annual walk from the original Barstow campus to our current campus, they close in on their final week of school at Barstow. For the rest of us, the end is near, so be sure to finish the year out strong. I know I've had an awesome school year, and I hope you guys all have as well. Back to you at the desk.
I can't believe this school year is almost over.
Yeah, it went by really fast. But don't forget that next week is Teacher Appreciation Week. Oh, we have Stuco breaking news.
I don't know what my
Bonfire Night has been rescheduled to tonight due to severe weather. Please remember to bring a clean pair of new socks as an admissions fee. It'll take place from 6:30 to 9 on the patio. We will be having some s'mores, some music, capture the flag games, and much more. So make sure to be able to attend. I'm Helen.
And I'm Sammy. Have a good week in Barstow.